My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the NFT art finance. And the NFT art token holder is doing a biggest mistake at this time. So finally, I decided to make a video for my viewers, for my subscribers, and I want to save for you, save all of you from loss, friends. So don't do this mistake and be safe from loss, friends. Anyways, before starting this interesting video, if you're new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for subscribing ab's tech channel. At this time, if we look the price of the NFT art, so the price is this time the 0.00001 USD dollar is the currently at this time price of the NFT art, friends. So the price is very low, so if you want to invest, so absolutely I think it's the best time for you to invest in an NFT art, friends. On the other hand, if we look the price changes occur in an NFT art in the 24 hours and the last one day, so positive 18.50% changes occur in the NFT art in the only 24 hour. Absolutely, this is a good news. That's a good jump of the NFT art. Let me show the biggest mistake of the NFT art holders. Let me show on the chart what a mistake this time the NFT art holder is doing. Let me show. Let's see the chart of the NFT art. What's going this time in an NFT art? If we look, that is the price change. Oh my god, what's going? Let's see the overview and let me show. I will show you the this is a very serious mistake a lot of holders doing at this time. As you can see here on the chart, as you can see here, the from the previous last I think from the last 1 month, the NFT art is fast down from for a little time, for a little while, friends. As you can see here on the graph, the over and over falling period, I know it is time the falling period of the NFT art to start now. As you can see here, you are also seeing in this time on the graph the NFT art falls down occur every time. But unfortunately, but it's a unfortunately over and over fast occur. As you can see here, a very badly, very fastly fast occur. But now currently, if you look the currently condition of the NFT art, so I think as you can see here this time the price change is again positive and the chart is also going upward. So on this time, as you can see here, this time the price falls down in this period. If we look, so as we can see here, friends, at this time the holders doing a big mistake on this point, friends. They, as you can see, they understand that there is a continuously fast of NFT art, but no, that's not a continuous. That's just a little time for this jump occur. But after some passage of time, as you can see here, this time the change positive, the price change, the price is moving upward, friends. So now don't do this mistake. Don't sell NFT art finance fund. I hope that NFT art finance is one of the best cryptocurrencies, and that will make you good amount of profit. They will give you good amount of profit. So what do you think? NFT art finance, please share your prediction in the comment box and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe abs tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.